Moana stood at the edge of the island, gazing out at the vast ocean. Her heart swelled with determination as she looked at the task ahead. The island needed her help, and she was joined by her loyal friend, Pua, the enthusiastic pig. Together, they would take on the challenge of restoring the island's beauty. The sun was shining brightly, and the chirping of birds filled the air as Moana and Pua began their mission. They worked tirelessly, picking up fallen trees and arranging them to create natural barricades to protect the beach. The task was daunting, but their spirits were high. Suddenly, as if responding to Moana's call, the ocean began to shimmer. Waves rolled gently onto the shore, bringing with them the tools they needed, crates of supplies, and even a few helpful sea creatures. "You're a natural at this." Pua squealed with delight, mockingly cheering Moana on. Moana laughed, grateful for her friend's humor that lightened the mood during their hard work. As they organized the trees on the beach, Moana faced a tricky situation. A particularly large tree proved stubborn, resisting all her efforts to move it. With a nod to the ocean, Moana sought help from the water. As if understanding her plea, a wave grew, lifting the tree from its spot and gently placing it where it needed to be. "You see, Pua, the ocean always watches over us," Moana said as she wiped sweat from her brow, feeling a refreshing breeze from the sea. Throughout the day, Moana and Pua faced various challenges, each met with resilience and humor. They laughed at their blunders, like Moana accidentally tumbling into a sandy hole. They celebrated their victories when they saw a newly arranged section of the forest. As dusk began to settle, they stepped back to admire their work, an island transformed through dedication, friendship, and the ocean's touch. The island seemed to hum with life and energy. Moana turned to Pua with a satisfied smile and said, "There's magic in hard work, and laughter makes it worthwhile." With the day's legacy shining brightly on the island, they knew that this challenge had cemented their bond even further. "Come on, Pua," Moana chuckled. "Let's head back and dream of tomorrow's adventures."